How to use filters from exam result. Go to exam and then go to exam result. Now select class and you can directly click on search to view all the exams from the class. You can also use this filter select type, so you can filter the exams by using the exam type. So I selected unit test. So I'll get all the exams of this unit test exam type for this class. We can also select the subject along with the exam type, so that if the exam is available for this exam type for this particular class and subject, it will be available, otherwise it won't. Now you can also use the class and subject filter and click on search to view the exams, all the exams for this particular subject. You can also use the select status option with the exam status, scheduled, executed, result published, calculated, and the other exam types. There is a date range filter as well. You can use the date range from which you wish to view the exams.